back to my channel. It's your girl Dumebi. If you're a returnee, if you're already subscribed to me, you know how we do it. And if this is your first time stumbling on my channel, you're welcome to the family. Now hit the subscribe button, okay? And also the notification button somewhere there, so you get notified whenever I drop new videos, and then you watch them, so you and I don't have a problem. I'm sorry guys, I'm so excited. Please subscribe if you're new here. So now about today's video, this look is a Valentine inspired makeup look. You know, it's appropriate for date night, let's say, on that special day. It's that time of the year again, yeah. And I'm even more excited because it is my first collaboration. This is my first collaboration on my channel here, and it's a collaboration on this particular Valentine inspired makeup look with several other Nigerian YouTubers and the persons of Selling Okereke, Princess Yin, a makeup junkie, Buki Kunleri, Niela's Creation, Bukola of Beats Bouquet, Ritzy Ruti, Mafeng, and Natural Cookie. Yeah, your picture just scrolled by right now. Pretty girl, right? Be sure to check out their videos. I'm going to be dropping links to their channels in my description box, so just hop on there, you know, check out their videos, subscribe to them, drop nice comments, tell them you're from me, tell them to maybe Leah sent you, okay? Okay, so now over to this look. This look right here. Basically, I wanted to create something very romantic and fresh. I wanted the eyes and the skin to do the talking. I wanted the lips to take more of like a backseat in this look. You know, the skin has got to be glowing, melanin popping, all that rich gold goodness. That's what you guys see right here. Then for the eyes, you know they say the eyes are like the window to the soul. I wanted the eyes to like draw him in, draw Bay in, and then he'll be mine forever, you know. Then for the lips, you know, I think guys kind of get scared when you have like the bold lip color and they don't want to, you know. So because I'm expecting some lip action with this look, I decided to keep the lips nude. So this is basically just gloss on my lips. Anyways, I'll show you guys how I achieved this look, and keep watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
So to begin, I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows using the Mabrook eyebrow brown pencil. This is the first impressions, and I really love this pencil. It was recommended to me by a friend, and I love the consistency, and it's really creamy. So I'm cleaning up my brows using my elixir Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn for the bottom part and Chestnut for the upper part. Now to prime my eyelids, I'm going in with the elixir Pro Conceal in Fawn, and I'm just blending that right in using an eyeshadow brush. So now that is out of the way, I'm going to be setting my eye with the Zikel Cosmetics Oil Mattifier High Definition Powder Palettes. That's a very long name. This is the first impression because I heard so many good reviews about it, and it's a Nigerian brand. So I'm just using that to set my eyes. Then I'm going into my Popfeel eyeshadow palette. This is another first impressions, and I'm taking this orange shade right there as my transition shade and applying it all over my crease area, or above my crease area actually. Then going into a green shade, I'm going to be applying that right below the orange and blending it upwards. Now I think the only thing I noticed with this palette that I didn't really like is the fact that the blendability wasn't that easy actually. It took some time to blend the shades together. Then now I'm taking a black shade from that same eyeshadow and placing it more in the crease to darken it a little, because I'm going for a halo effect for this look. Now I'm going into my LA Girl High Definition Eyeshadow Primer in white, and I'm just placing it right in the middle of my mobile lid to create my halo effect. Then back to my Popfeel eyeshadow palette, I'm taking those two shades. One is more pinky and one is more peachy, and I'm just placing it right in the middle there. Then I'll be blending out using my small blending brush to blend out any harsh lines. Now going into my Zikel Cosmetics Textured Glitter Eyeshadow. This is another first impression because I actually went to the product launch and I was given some of their stuff to review. So this is one of the stuff I'm reviewing, and I found out that the glitter pigments kept falling, you know, so I had to use my glitter glue to help the glitter to adhere to the eyes, and it came out really well. The pigmentation is awesome. So now I'm lining my eyes using my Kiss Beauty eyeliner. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going into my elixir High Definition Eyeshadow Primer to bring some light into my eyes and give that my lower waterline that halo effect. Now for lashes, I'm going into my JM lashes in the style Morke. This is actually an eyelash brand, a Nigerian brand, a new brand by my girl, so I decided I'll just feature it on the channel. So I decided I didn't like that white look in my waterline, and I just covered it up using my Mabrook pencil. So now for the face, I'm using the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir Beauty Oil as a moisturizer. And because I want a dewy look, I didn't use the regular primer. I went into my MAC Prep and Prime Fix to prime my face. So I'm waiting for it to dry after a while now to give me that dewy look, more of the glow. I'm going into my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator and applying that all over my face. So now for my foundation, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NW50. Yes, the lights I'm recording with, the lights I'm shooting with obviously always blow my foundation out of proportion. Like right now it looks like I'm applying a mask, but believe me, this is my shade, sincerely guys. So I'm blending it down into my neck. And now to highlight my face, I'm going into my elixir Pro Conceal in Chestnut. So blending my entire highlights right in using my buffing brush. Now to set my highlight, I'm going to be going back into that Zikel Cosmetics HD powder with that lightest shade that is meant to be the highlight, and I'm going to be setting the area, and fingers crossed guys. Because you guys know how I feel about when a highlight looks white. I prefer those that, you know, have like a yellowish tint to it because I'm really dark skinned. But this is a review, so now I'm doing some reverse contouring. I'm placing that below my cheekbones. Now I'm going in with a shade of powder from that same Zikel Cosmetics to contour my face, all the perimeters of my face. I'll also be contouring my nose using that same shade of powder. So now I'm dusting off the highlights using the same Zikel Cosmetics powder. In the shade Fawn and Chestnut. Yeah, the shades I'm using to dust off the highlight is Fawn and Chestnut. I used 2 shades. Then for my contour from the Zikel palette, I used the dark cocoa shade. So now I'm just blending everything right in. And well, I can say it didn't give me that flashback, which I was scared of, but yeah. So now I'm just using my blush now and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Then going into my classic makeup contour kit, I'm just going to be glowing up my face. I really want to glow, guys. I already said that in the intro. That was the aim. So I'm using that also to highlight my brow bone. Then my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead too. The bridge of my nose. Now for my lips, I'm just using my Davis pencil in the shade 018 to line my lips to give it a very natural look. I didn't want anything heavy on the lips. Then I'll just be using gloss to sum it all up. Now back to the eyes. I took some of that Zikel Cosmetics eyeshadow, glitter eyeshadow with my glitter glue, and I just put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm using my mascara to comb out my bottom lashes, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, okay, and Leave a comment. I love to read from you guys. Would you rock this look for Valentine? I love you guys. Don't forget, this is the month of love. Continue to spread love, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.